Make your life easier with ChatGPT. Hey everyone! Ever feel overwhelmed by tasks, questions, or decisions every day? Well, today I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can make your life easier, from organizing your day to answering tricky questions instantly. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a ChatGPT pro. Make life easier with ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? What is ChatGPT? It's an AI language model that can understand questions, provide answers, create content, and even help you solve problems in minutes. Think of it as your personal AI assistant that's available 24/7. AI that answers, solves, creates. You don't need to be a tech genius. Anyone can use it. Top 5 ways ChatGPT can help you. 1. Task management and AMP. Productivity. How to make a to-do list. Plan your week in 5 minutes with ChatGPT. 2. Writing an AMP. Editing. Types a paragraph, ChatGPT rewrites it instantly. Emails, reports, essays, done in seconds. 3. Learning an AMP. Research. ChatGPT summarizing a topic quickly. Learn quantum physics in simple words. 4. Creative ideas. Ask ChatGPT for video ideas or blog topics. 5. Daily life hacks. Meal planning, shopping lists, reminders. ChatGPT even helps you plan meals for the week. Which of these 5 uses do you want to try first? Comment below. Advanced tips and AMP. Trick. Screen recording of prompts, colorful pop-ups highlighting tips. Tip 1. Use specific prompts for better answers. Instead of "plan my day," say, "Plan my day for productivity including exercise, meals, and work tasks." Tip 2. Combine ChatGPT with other tools like Google Sheets or Notion. Tip 3. Use ChatGPT for creative writing, coding, or problem solving. People think AI is complicated, but with the right prompts, it's like having a superpower at your fingertips. Real-life examples. 1. Writing a professional email. 2. Summarizing a long research paper. 3. Planning a family trip itinerary. 4. Brainstorming a viral YouTube video idea. Whether it's work, school, or personal life, ChatGPT saves time and makes everything easier. So there you have it. ChatGPT can be your personal assistant, tutor, writer, and idea generator all in one. Whether you're tackling everyday tasks or diving into creative projects, ChatGPT streamlines the process, making it easier than ever. Imagine asking your email responses in just a few seconds while you focus on more important tasks. Picture yourself crafting a stunning family trip itinerary, complete with activities, dining options, and travel plans, all with a simple command. Not only does it save you time, but it empowers you to enhance your productivity and creativity simultaneously. However, you might be wondering where to begin. Let's kick things off with exploring the task management features that ChatGPT offers. Imagine being able to create a detailed to-do list in mere minutes, categorizing tasks by priority and deadlines, allowing you to conquer your day like a pro. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making task organization a breeze. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. ChatGPT redefines the way you approach your daily routines, breaking them down into manageable steps. For instance, if you're feeling overwhelmed, just type, "Help me organize my week," and watch as the AI generates a personalized action plan for you, allowing you to conquer your day like a pro. You can easily modify it according to your preferences, making it a flexible tool tailored to your unique lifestyle. So, whether you're balancing work commitments or personal projects, ChatGPT stands ready to lend a helping hand, ensuring you never fall behind. With its assistance, even the busiest schedules become perfectly manageable and stress-free. Here comes the exciting part, advanced tips and tricks. Once you've mastered the basics, take your ChatGPT skills to the next level by utilizing specific prompts. For instance, instead of asking, "What should I do today?" refine your request to, "Plan an efficient day incorporating exercise, work tasks, and healthy meals." This specificity allows ChatGPT to tailor its suggestions, providing insights that resonate with your goals. Also, try integrating ChatGPT with platforms like Google Sheets or Notion to enhance your productivity further. Imagine creating a dynamic to-do list that automatically updates based on your queries and allows for seamless collaboration with others. Engage in a bit of playful experimentation. Utilize ChatGPT for creative writing, explore poetry, short stories, or even script writing. The AI can help you brainstorm characters, plots, and dialogues, unleashing your imagination beyond traditional boundaries. Imagine collaborating with an entity that can generate fresh ideas in minutes, encouraging you to write freely without the mental roadblocks that often accompany creativity. Plus, consider employing ChatGPT for coding. Ask it to assist you in solving programming challenges or debugging code. This way, you can overcome technical hurdles and enhance your skills efficiently. And let's not forget that AI can tackle some complex puzzles, assisting you in problem solving across various subjects from science to mathematics. Ultimately, whatever your pursuit, ChatGPT is designed to make the process engaging, intuitive, and rewarding. So, dive in, enjoy the journey, and witness how your ideas flourish with this remarkable tool. You might also find it helpful to explore real-life examples of how ChatGPT can transform mundane tasks into streamlined activities. Crafting a professional email with clarity and confidence, or condensing lengthy research papers into digestible summaries. The AI can even help you plan an unforgettable family vacation, offering tailored itineraries packed with exciting activities and delicious dining suggestions to suit everyone's tastes. Whether you're brainstorming ideas for your next big project or juggling personal commitments, leveraging ChatGPT can transform your approach. Imagine having a brainstorming partner available at any hour, ready to generate unique suggestions that spark creativity. You can ask it for topics to write about, questions to explore for your next podcast, or innovative concepts for your business. It's like having a think tank right in your pocket. In conclusion, ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's a gateway to a more organized, creative, and productive life. Embrace its capabilities, and watch as it elevates your daily endeavors, making everything seem effortless. Start using ChatGPT today, and transform how you tackle challenges and seize opportunities in your journey ahead. Start experimenting today and watch how it transforms your daily life. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, bell, share, speech, balloon, comment, and don't forget to comment below which ChatGPT trick you're going to try first. See you in the next video.